In the case of a person who delays making up missed fasts, is there any expiation to be paid at all by that person?
The right ruling is that if a person misses any fast in the month of Ramadan, he should make it up as soon as possible, latest by next Ramadan. If he does not make up for the fast before the next Ramadan, then it's a sin. In this case, he should ask for forgiveness and he should make it up as soon as possible. As far as expiation is concerned, the different opinions, some scholars say that because he delayed, he should give some expiation and feed one poor person for every fast he has missed. But there is no proof in the authentic hadith that expiation should be given. Because the Quran is very clear in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 185, that if a person is ill or on a journey, he should make up the fast later on from the other days. There's no expiation mentioned here. So the right ruling is that if he has delayed too long, he should make it up as soon as possible, offer the qada fast, but there's no expiation. And this is the ruling of most of the scholars, including Sheikh Salman Auda. He says that, he should make up the fast as soon as possible, but there's no proof for expiation, but he should ask for forgiveness for having delayed to make up the fast.